that scam.
Joe, I can't get a moment of peace to myself. Hello, Barry's residence, how may I help you?
Hello, Mr. Barry Warden?
Yes, who is this?
I'm calling from Quick Ship, Parcel and Freight Inc. in Chicago, Illinois.
Illinois?
Yes, sir, Chicago.
What do you want?
Just to let you know that your package is stuck in transit, so you will now need to pay the final shipping cost of $300 for it to be sent to Jamaica.
But I never order anything.
Your address is 3.5 Forest Hill Lane up on Mountain District, right?
Yes, but I never order anything.
I suspect that the package is sent from one of your relatives. They just did not send the full shipping cost.
Who is it coming from?
Can't give out that information, sir.
Well, I never ask anybody to send me anything.
How will you be paying?
I'm not paying.
But I have the package right here.
Look here, I'm not paying for anything that I don't know anything about. Send it back to where it is coming from.
Okay, just pay $200 then.
You're deaf? I say I'm not paying for anything. Keep it. Good move, Barry. If you know you did not order anything, don't pay. Dishonest persons always find creative ways to take your money. While you work, they scheme. Be aware, be smart, and always remember, idle tongue no must tell the truth. Don't be scammed.